In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print selected text and selected pages in Microsoft Word. Printing doesn't always mean sending the entire document to your printer. In many situations, you may only need a specific section or a few pages, and Microsoft Word gives you the flexibility to do exactly that. Knowing how to control what gets printed can help you save time, paper, and ink. Let's start with printing selected text. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and highlight the exact portion of text you want to print. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text to select it. Make sure everything you need is included in the selection. Once your text is highlighted, go to the File tab in the top left corner and click on Print. This will open the Print Settings page. In the Settings section, look for the option that usually says Print All Pages. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Print Selection. This tells Word to print only the text you have highlighted. Before printing, take a moment to check the preview on the right side of the screen. This allows you to confirm that only the selected content will be printed. If everything looks correct, click the Print button to proceed. Now, let's move on to printing selected pages. This is useful when you only need specific pages from a longer document. Again, go to the File tab and click on Print. In the Settings area, find the box where you can enter page numbers. Instead of printing the entire document, type the page numbers you want to print. For example, you can enter a single page number, multiple pages separated by commas, or even a range of pages using a dash. After entering your desired pages, review the print preview to ensure the correct pages are selected. This step is important to avoid printing unnecessary pages. Once you're satisfied with the selection, click the Print button to complete the process. As a helpful tip, always double-check your page numbers and selected text before printing, especially if you're working with a large document. This can help prevent mistakes and reduce wasted resources. And that's it. You now know how to print selected text and selected pages in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.